In this video, I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to Gate.io. To begin, open the Gate.io app and go to the wallet. Then tap on Deposit. Now, look up USDT. Here, we will select the correct chain name for USDT, which is Tron TRC20, and then tap on the Copy button to copy the USDT wallet address. This will be pasted into Binance later. Now that we've copied our USDT wallet address in Gate.io, open the Binance app. Go to Wallet and tap on Spot. Then tap on USDT. Tap the Withdraw button. Here, tap on the Send via Crypto network. Paste the USDT wallet address you copied from Gate.io into the address box. Then, for the network, select Tron TRC20. And finally, tap the Confirm button. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Just remember to add $1 for the network fee. In my case, I'll send $30, so I'll enter $31 in the amount. Then, tap the Withdrawal button. Tap Confirm. Tap Confirm. Now, answer these verification questionnaire to be able to continue. After completing the questionnaires, tap Confirm, then tap the Send Code button to receive the verification code via phone and email. When you receive your verification codes, enter them and then tap the Submit button. You only need to wait a few minutes for the processing to be completed. If you enjoyed watching my video, please show your appreciation by clicking the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Thank you for watching.